Welcome to Ukraine, a land rich in history, stunning landscapes, and remarkable cultural heritage. Today, we embark on a journey to explore some of the most breathtaking places this beautiful country has to offer. Our adventure begins at Cir Lake, often referred to as the pupil of the blue. This enchanting body of water allows visitors to relax in cozy lodges, indulge in delightful local cuisine, and immerse themselves in outdoor activities like rafting and horseback riding. Next, we arrive at the famed Tunnel of Love, a 4-kilometer-long archway of trees draping over a railway track in the village of Kherson. Throughout the seasons, this magical tunnel transforms, blossoming into a verdant sanctuary in spring and summer, and presenting a vibrant tapestry of autumn colors, making it a top romantic destination. Now, let's visit Bakota, a submerged village near Kamianets-Podilsky. Once a bustling community, it was flooded to create a reservoir. The peaceful waters now offer a contrast to the lost homes beneath, reminding us of the lives once lived here. Our journey continues in Vorohta, a picturesque mountain resort nestled in the Carpathians. At an elevation of 885 meters, the fresh, spruce-infused air is recognized for its therapeutic effects, drawing visitors seeking rejuvenation amid nature. Standing proudly at 2,061 meters, Hoverla is Ukraine's highest peak. As you scale its heights, panoramic views of the majestic Carpathians unfold around you, providing a breathtaking reminder of the beauty that nature has to offer. Gap 3s. The conflict between Russia and Ukraine has brought many hardships. Since 2014, when Russia took Crimea and fighting broke out in the Donbas region, life has been difficult for many Ukrainians. But even with these troubles, the people of Ukraine remain strong. They haven't given up hope, and they continue to work towards a peaceful future for their country. Our final stop is Kherson, a city bustling with energy and steeped in maritime history. Founded in 1778, it played a crucial role as a naval fortress and continues to be a significant administrative and economic center in southern Ukraine. Yet its historical significance became even more poignant during recent conflicts. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey across Ukraine, a country filled with wonders waiting to be explored. If this adventure sparked your curiosity and inspired your wanderlust, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell for more adventures ahead.